How's everybody doing? My name is Yuri, and today we're going to be learning how to win fantasy football every single time. Today we're on the ESPN Fantasy Football website. We're looking at quarterback rankings. This is the first installment of how to win fantasy football every single time. This is 1 out of 3 episodes, okay? Today we're learning about quarterbacks. Today we're learning about wide receivers. Today we're learning about running backs and the flex position. We're getting you touchdowns, baby. Touchdowns, points, 30-plus games. Here's the strategy. You got 16 teams in a league, all right? You got a first-round pick. Everybody's got a first-round pick. Everybody. I don't care what you say. Everybody has a first-round pick. Here's the deal. You want a quarterback in the first round. You got the 9th pick in the draft. You're not getting a quarterback in the first round if 4 people in front of you already chose a quarterback, okay? You're playing your numbers right, baby. You're getting the 3rd best receiver, the 3rd best running back. If you got Dumbo in front of you, maybe you're getting the 2nd best receiver. You understand what I'm saying? You're going for points, strategy, okay? You could choose Drew Brees. I get it. You could. But he's got Alvin Kamara on his team. You don't want to split the offense, baby. You're going for Matt Stafford. He's a great quarterback. He'll get you all the points. What does Detroit have? What does Detroit have? They don't got shit. They got gun violence, and they got General Motors, and they used to have Eminem. Where's Eminem at now, okay? You understand what I'm saying? You're going for points. The flex is a major key, okay? You can get a great flex in the 5th round. You understand what I'm saying? You can get a great flex in the 8th round. You understand what I'm saying? Here's the biggest key, all right? You need to get a great starting lineman. No, you can't do a line. I'm sorry. I don't even know what the hell I'm talking about. I haven't played fantasy football since 2012, okay? But here's the deal. Strategy, baby. Strategy. All right. So here's the next thing. Your star player's going to get hurt. Sorry to break it to you. Plan for that, okay? You got Kirk Cousins in the 2nd round. He's your quarterback. You got, I don't know, who's a good receiver? You got Jarvis Landry in the 1st round. I don't know. Why'd you do that? He's not going to be a top 10 player. Who cares? Anyway, that's who you chose in the 1st round. He got hurt. Kirk Cousins got hurt. Who you got on your backfield? You know what I mean? Who's your backup? You got a plan for that. Think about players who will come in and fill the roles of your star players when they break themselves, okay? Think about the player, the 2nd string wide receivers on these teams. You know, people don't talk about them, but they're going to get targeted. You got a new quarterback. You got Dez Bryant. Nobody likes to throw to Dez Bryant. Don't choose Dez Bryant. Nobody likes Dez Bryant. He's not on a team right now. Nobody likes him. You understand my point? Apply that to different teams. Carolina. Don't get Ted Ginn Jr. He can't catch a ball for his life. You ever watch him catch the ball? He can't catch the ball. He's got alligator arms, okay? Use your brain, okay? Okay, Dumbo? Use your brain. It's not that hard. All right. This has been the first installment. 1, 2, 3, 4. Use your brain, okay? Thanks for watching, everybody. Episode 2 will be coming out shortly. I hope everybody learned something. I sure as hell didn't. I don't play fantasy football, but I'm going to tell you how to win because I got a brain, Dumbo. I got a brain.